Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this oilless okra that is so high in protein, rich in mineral and low in calorie. This is so perfect when you're trying to lose weight. There's no oil at all in this soup, and I made it specifically for licking. Here is mackerel fish I'll be using, snail, crabs, oil bean, uba, dry fish and stockfish. I'll go on and wash this thoroughly with hot water. Wash the stockfish and the dry fish thoroughly with hot water. Add in a seasoning cube and salt, then water to cover and cook. Once it starts boiling well, add in the snail, cover to cook. After 10 minutes of cooking, add in the mackerel fish and the crabs. Add in pepper, salt, one seasoning cube, gently stir and cover to cook. After 5 minutes of cooking, open the pot and add a blend of okro and oilless seed. Cover to allow the flavor to build up, and then it's time to add in okra. My intention wasn't for it to draw, so I did not grate anyone. It was hand chopped this size, so it could be chewable. After adding the okra and stirring, you add in the uba. Allow it to boil and then the soup is ready. The intention is not for the okra to be slimy, hence I did not grate anyone. It is a soup made specifically for weight loss, so I cooked this to be licked, and it tasted very nice. This is ready. Like, the soup is ready. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching.